2 weeks ago, our truck and almost all of our worldly possessions were stolen. Since then, we've been replacing everything from socks to underwear, backpacks, school books, electronics, even a Vitamix.
And to add insult to injury, our motorhome is being repainted right now, so our home base is the rental minivan.
Today, we're going to open over 100 different items that we've ordered online, and emotions are high as we're replacing everything we owned.
Electronic. And at the end of the video, we have an update on the Prevost. Here's a sneak peek. Make sure to stay till the end. It's Saturday morning and we've got a few packages on the porch, but the next delivery person just pulled up. Hey! All right, entire bin is ours. Talk about a prime delivery day. And a half a bin more.
I was guessing 12. I think we have more than 12.
16 packages.
16 in this one.
Day one of getting our Amazon packages, and we have quite a lot of them.
I think we're gonna need something to help us out.
Perfect. Let's get this party started. And that has to, we just have to put that on there for effects. Just lay it on top. The crown, done. All right, I want to wheel it. All right, you hold it from the side.
This.
Oh, did you see that fancy maneuver I had right there? Whoa!
Straighten her out.
What?
Pull it, pull it. Sister, pull it. Turn it around and pull it. There you go. Pull it the other way. Turn it around and pull it up.
Wait, no, you want to push it.
Why?
No, you pull it. Oh! There we go. Time for unpacking.
The last couple of days, we've gotten some packages to say the least. We've organized the first day, but the last 2 days we haven't really put them out or organized them, so it's finally time to do that. Oh, I completely forgot. There's something else right here. Yeah, it's cross. I'm just gonna stick it right in there. Okay, we're good now.
Okay. Now, you might be wondering, how is this only 1 day of shipping? The answer? Amazon. It was beautiful. All I did is I added like 700 things to the cart, and I hit buy, and then the next day, they showed up at my door. It was beautiful. So thank you, Amazon.
Are you not gonna show them the tears?
Oh, you want them to flow?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all I got.
Let's get started. Here's what I'm thinking. It feels a little like Christmas in a weird kind of way. And Sarah, you're our hander-outer on Christmas morning.
Guilty.
So today, though, I think we should let Willis help because we have a lot more. We would never have these many presents under the tree. So here's what we're gonna do. You can hand these out however you want. But before you do, Dad and I have a challenge for you both. You each get to pick 5 packages, so that's 10 total. What I need you to find is the tripod and the microphones, because we really need them to make this video. If you find any of those in those 10 packages, 5 each, Dad and I have something special for you. But even if you find it, you've got to wait till we're all done to open these. Challenge
Accepted.
I was say challenge
accepted.
Okay, all right.
Easy.
Go.
So, I want to go first, but to be fair to my lovely brother, we're gonna have a good game of rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who gets to go first.
That's the only fair way. Best 2 out of 3.
And I always lose, so I'm just expecting him to go. Oh, of course, best 2 out of 3.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got it. I go first. We're gonna go smallest first.
Alright, did he get it?
All right, box number 1. I don't think I got it. That is a brand new DJI Pocket 2.
If I get it in the first box, do I get a little something extra?
Yes, you do.
I do?
You get to have Thai food for dinner.
Oh. A little pull there, pull there. Okay. Notebook. Don't need a notebook.
That would be mine.
A pair of headband headphones.
Oh, that's yours.
Those are mine.
You lost those.
And a Hydro Flask water bottle.
Black ink.
Oh, it's your headphones. It's Skull Candy.
Oh,
Your
yay!
new headphones.
Look at that freshness.
I got, is this another Hydro Flask?
Oakley's.
Pair of Oakley's?
That's the case that you lost.
Oh,
That's the case.
That was mine.
a case. This is his.
I think I see a tripod.
I hope so. I want you guys to win.
Tripod. Tripod.
Good.
W for the win. Boom.
Now
That's
let's find the other one.
This isn't everything that we needed to replace what we lost. It's a big portion of it. In all fairness, we did open a few items because they came right away. Like you guys both got to replace your electric skateboards. And we've also been shopping at the stores, but we'll talk more about that in a minute. Let's see what's in the rest of these boxes.
My turn. For me, I think my cake decorating set.
That's cool.
Which I wanted this to actually for tonight, so I'm glad I opened it.
On the microphone, so Nintendo Switch.
I'll
You
just
can go
take
ahead.
that from you.
Next box. Come on, personal recorders.
Isn't this one?
Oh,
Oh, the goat. Wait, no, that's the DJI mount for the car.
That would be
So all
one.
that ends in that one.
Last one.
Come on.
Dash cam. That's not a personal recorder. A new bag.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I had so many memories with this bag. So many beaches, so many pools, so many adventures. It's extremely sad still.
I have one more. Come on. More Switch controllers, because I had 5 Switch controllers, so these are replacing some of the ones I had. For Christmas last year, I got my mom a necklace, and when you look through this gemstone, it said, I love you in 100 different languages, and that's what this is. So this is actually
Yay.
for you.
Thanks, babe.
So sadly, we did not find the personal recorders.
No personal recorders,
We
but
did.
this was all we needed.
And you, yes.
And we
So
get the
you-
gift,
So
and
you won the challenge.
I'm excited to see what it is, but sadly, we have to wait until we open the rest of the boxes, which hopefully we'll find the personal recorders sooner than later.
It's getting late and we have to get on with our evening. We still have a lot more, so we'll get it opened in the morning.
Got a couple more packages. All right, guys, let's get started.
Thank you.
Yay!
Let's go. I lost candy, so I got a big old thing of candy. Let's go.
And I lost my favorite bathing suit that I probably had in the last 10 years. And while they didn't have the exact pattern, they had it in different colors, so hopefully it'll work.
Cholesterol!
So, oh God.
Sous vide, baby! We get to sous vide again.
Let's go.
So this is, I lost my devotion and I couldn't find the same one, but this says you're not finished yet. 100 devotions for building strength and faith for your journey. So I thought that might be a nice pick me up every morning as we move on.
You guys ready to see my pickleball bag?
Yep.
Beautifully teal. I got the same bag as my dad,
Well-
just mine's a little prettier.
I really hope this all fits in the minivan like it did in the truck. Because that would be not good, because we still have to drive that minivan back to Texas in a couple weeks to get the truck.
We sure do. I think it will. I have faith in the minivan.
I don't know. I think The truck had a lot more space. Now the thing is, with the minivan, we can stack up. We don't have to stack width long ways, but we can stack up because there's a roof.
Yeah.
Versus the truck, cut off halfway. I think we'll be able to make it work.
We're about halfway done opening the boxes, and as you can tell, these are items we really need for day-to-day life. We started shopping in stores because we needed tennis shoes, underwear, socks, just basics. But at a certain point, they either didn't have our size, the color we needed, or just the item itself. And we just took a breath, made a list, and went to online shopping. For those of you who have ever lost anything, comment below how you dealt with that. We're definitely way more understanding than ever, whether it's just, maybe your wallet was stolen, that is significant enough. But if you've been through that or anything like this, we'd love to hear how you got through it and how you're doing now. The kids have been amazing. You guys, you've had such great attitudes through all of this. Like, what's the best part? What's the hardest part? What would you want somebody to know about all of this?
Probably that it might look fun from the outside. Oh, they get a whole new wardrobe. Oh, they get all new stuff. But it is exhausting, and it is really sad because all of our sentimental items that we were bringing with us, because we were going to be out of our bus for a couple months, were in the truck. And now we get to make new sentimental items, but it's just not the same.
Best part, it feels like Christmas came early, and luckily we have Christmas later as well. 2 Christmases this year. Worst part is there is a lot of stuff. We're gonna have to find a home for all of it.
This part has just been exhausting. It just is all encompassing, and I'm ready to get back to our life, traveling and bouncing around the country and checking out all sorts of fun adventures, as opposed to shopping. I hate shopping, just so you know. So.
This is the purse that was in the truck. It had my wallet in it too. I haven't replaced the wallet yet, but I'm actually pretty happy about this because I really like that purse, so I'm glad I can get it, but feeling a little bittersweet right now.
Oh, Dad, you might want to open these.
These are all your school books.
Oh, those can just go back in. Somebody come steal them. Oh, the microphones to go with the personal recorders.
Oh.
Is that a jewelry box?
Yeah, I don't want to open this. So this, I have dreaded this since this box arrived. I don't want to open it. Dang it. I've even had a couple days to think about this, and I'm still, yeah, this is the jewelry box that was stolen. And it was loaded. It had like all my jewelry and some of Sarah's. And while the insurance is going to cover virtually everything that you see here and that we've bought in stores, they're not replacing. We only had $1,000 jewelry coverage, and that was on purpose. We used to carry a separate jewelry policy for years when we first got married 20 years ago, but we just quit. And yeah, there's probably like, I started adding it up, and $40,000. I mean, you know, and that sounds like a lot, but over 20, 25 years, you know, it's special pieces you've bought me for our wedding, special pieces my parents have given me. And so, and just a lot of really fun pieces that we bought on vacation. You know, none of it, well, some of them were expensive individually, and some of them were just really like more souvenir, or, you know, just remind you of a time. And I reordered the exact same one because that's what the insurance company wants us to do, is replace everything as best we can with the same item. But when this got delivered this week, I knew that I don't want to open it. Dang it. This stuff can't be replaced. But it's okay. most important thing is the 4 of us and Norman. And yeah, I'm thankful that none of us were hurt. And I'd rather it be a silent crime the way it went down than them to have held us at gunpoint, or, you know, there have been some sort of force or trauma against us. I'll get over this. I'll get over this. I don't even need all of it again, but
we'll go make them special again.
This is the hardest thing, because we can't just go out and replace it all. You know, there's something that each of us lost that was harder than the rest. And I don't know if you guys have identified that yet. When this came in the mail, I knew that that was going to be a tough one. So, okay, let's move on. I like those Yetis. Those colors are awesome. I like the orange for something different. It's cheery. Everything's opened. Now we're going to turn the camera off and do the not so fun part of getting it all organized. Everything up to this point has been logged into the insurance company's spreadsheet that I have to keep track of things in. This is a little more complicated. When I go to Amazon, it has each item individual, and I don't want to print out 100+ different receipts. So I'm hoping there's some packing slips with prices and list of everything that was in the box to make my life easier. So, yes, Sarah.
I know how to do that.
You do?
Yeah.
You know how to print out the whole thing
Yeah,
with prices?
I think. I'm like 99% sure you can.
Okay, that would be a
I
huge
think
help.
I can help you out with that.
Yeah, because that's a big process for me this weekend.
I'm an Amazon buyer. I'm not a shopper, I'm a buyer. If you say, hey, Sarah, go get me one of these things, it'll be in the cart and bought within 5 minutes. We have made stacks to keep ourselves organized. This is the pickleball stack here. And then over here are the empty bags and the things that were in the boxes and bags. Here is all of our electronics. Over here is Mom's, and she of course has more than us. She has ordered clothes and stuff as well, so she has a lot of stuff. This is just a kind of a mini pile for me.
We dropped the bus off at the paint booth in early July. As you can see, we are in the home stretch. The way they stencil and paint the patterns is incredible. Make sure you stay tuned for the video where we get to see it for the first time and get moved back into our home.
We hope you guys enjoyed.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.